Welcome to CyberTheo. How do we make a logo? I will show you how to make a great logo for free at Canva. Canva is a great website that has many free templates to help you make a great logo for your site or channel. So let's get going. First, go to their site at https://www.canva.com. There you will find Canva's main page. Towards the top of the page, you will find under the heading, Try, the link for logo. You will click on the logo link. This will bring us to another page. Find yourself where they have a wide variety of templates for you to use for your logo. This is where you will look through the list of templates for you to choose. Once you have decided on one template, you will click on one where you will see the template that you chose is now showing to the right. With the template you've chosen now on the right, you see it already has a title and a design of some kind showing. If you double-click on the wording you want to change, you can move it away from the design or delete it. Here, you can see that the text has been removed from the design. So we can now delete the unwanted text. With the design of the logo that you've chosen, you will now be able to add your text to it. You will now go to the left of the page where you will find a menu. There you will find the button for the text. Click on that and you will now see 3 buttons for Add a Heading. As you can see, there are technically 3 preset sizes for you to pick from. When you decide which button you want to use, you will see a rectangle pop up with the text, Add a Heading. You will now delete it and enter the title of your logo. Now you place inside the design, the text you have chosen for your new amazing logo title. Finally, you will see the beautiful logo that you've made. If you are satisfied with the final product, then it is time to go to the left of the screen to the file heading and press on it as a menu falls into place. You will find on this menu the ability to save your logo. So save it and then you will return to the drop menu. You will press the download button. This will have your logo downloaded on your computer. Your logo is now ready to move to the site at your discretion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channels. I will be loading more tutorials shortly.